Hi, Eric Gibaud, Gibaud.com, and today I'm going to present you a magnetic filter kit that KFConcept sent me. So let's start. So before showing you some sample of tests I've made, I'm going to show you the kit itself. So it comes in a small bag. It's really nice. You can actually open here and pass it on your belt. You can even hang it here. The bag is really nice, as everything KFConcept is doing. This is waterproof also. The zipper is waterproof. Okay. So if I open here, as you can see, quality is good. It's protected. It's really good. So you have 4 pieces of gear in there. One, you have a small ring like this. Okay, that's an open ring that you actually screw on your lens. Then you have a UV filter that many people use to protect the lens. Don't enter if it's important to protect or not a lens. If you want to protect it, you have a lens here. You have a filter here. Okay, you have a polarizer filter and also an ND 1000, which is 10-stop ND filter. Okay, so how does it work? Well, you actually screw this on your lens, and then you just have to place, it's magnetic, you just place your filter on the front on this. You can place just one or all of them, or you can put all of them together as you want, okay, but they all work this way. So it's really practical, really easy. So as we say, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So I'm going to show you some sample I've made. It's really noisy because at the beach it's really there's a lot of wind, but you see how it works. Okay, so I'm going to show you the KFConcept filter set. First, I make a picture with no filter, so you see how it is. Okay, we moved a bit because the light was going away, so I'm going to make a picture here. I say we because Claudia Reyes is behind the camera, and by the way, you can visit her YouTube channel. I use the address, the direct address, the link below in the description. Okay, I'm going to make a picture with the polarizer filter and then with the ND filter. Polarizador. So I've just made a picture with the polarizer. I've set it to have less reflection as possible, and now I'm going to put the 10-stop. I am on F11. It's saying 13 seconds. So let's start. So the bar the sun, you can see the sunlight is gone, so it's that side even. So now it says 25 seconds, so let's start. So as you can see, it was really windy, so this part I recorded here because it was too windy for that. So what else can I say about these filters? Well, they're really light, really thin. They do not create vignetting if you use a really wide angle. As low as 16 millimeters, you will not get vignetting, so that's good news. And they are treated with 16 layers, waterproof. That is important because you don't want your filter to get rusty, so it's waterproof, anti-scratch and anti-reflection, so they're really well coated, so I really observe a good quality. Also, very often people ask when they see an LED filter, do you get a color shift? Is there any problem with color? No, I didn't observe anything strange, but anyway, nowadays when you use digital photography, even if you had some bit of color shift, you could fix it easily in post-production or while making the picture using the proper white balance anyway. But no, I didn't observe anything wrong. So honestly, I think the quality of this filter kit is really great, and I wish there was an ND3 in there also. Okay, but that's the kit. That's nice. And it's true that I normally use square filter with a filter holder, but I must say this is really practical. Like you're walking around just with your camera and a mini tripod, and you have this on your belt, and then all of a sudden you see the opportunity to make a long exposure picture. Well, you get it out. It's really easy, really practical. So I think on the go it's really easy to use, and I think price is really okay, because an ND 10 stop is normally expensive. A polarizer filter is normally expensive, so you get, for reasonable price, you get the ND filter, 10 stop ND filter, the polarizer, the UV filter, and the holder, obviously, and the noise bag. So I think it's price reasonable. So honestly, I can only recommend this kit. Important, when you buy it, if you buy it, you need to indicate the diameter of your lens, and maybe you have several lenses. So I advise you buy the largest diameter for your largest lens, okay? Like in my case, 62 millimeter. And if you have more lenses, you may use this filter on. Then you can buy a step-up ring. If you have another lens that is like 58 millimeter, well, you buy a step-up ring from 58 to 62 millimeter in my case, and that's it. So you buy just one filter kit and then a step-up ring, and that's it, okay? But honestly, I think this is really recommendable. So thank you very much, KFConcept, for sending it to me. If you want to buy it, I'll leave you a link in description. And thank you to you for watching the video. If you feel it may interest other people, please share it on social networks. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's a small button down here, also a small bell. If you click on the bell, get notified when I upload a new video. My website, ericgibaud.com. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Also leave you links of my gear on Amazon, links to other part of my YouTube channel, and a link to my PayPal account in case you wanted to make a donation. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, take care of yourself, and see you soon. Bye.